trick I like to call the quick and easy forest. Now, first off, I need to find the forest. Okay. I think I just saw 2 black ones there, and 2 red. So, I've got the 4 aces. There's the diamonds and all the 4. Now, what I am going to do, I'm going to take the 4 aces and split them into 4 parts. Okay. Now, I'm going to take the first ace and I'm going to place it on the bottom of the deck. Now, with a flick, the ace comes to the top. Now this next ace, I'm going to place it on the top of the deck. And now, with a snap, it comes to the bottom. Now this next ace, I'm going to place it in the middle. You can see that. And now, with a snap, it comes to the top. And now for the final ace, I'm going to place it in the center of the deck. And with a snap, I'm going to withdraw.